Hello there. Discover how ChatGPT Reddit prompts are revolutionizing online discussions in 2024. From educational breakthroughs to creative explosions, ChatGPT on Reddit is where the magic happens. First up, educational prompts. These are not just questions, they're gateways to knowledge, sparking curiosity among students and educators alike. Next, the creative realm. Artists and writers are leveraging these prompts for unparalleled inspiration, birthing new art and stories. In the corporate world, ChatGPT Reddit prompts are strategic tools, aiding decision-making and innovation. But it's not all work. The prompts also fuel fascinating discussions, connecting people from all corners of the globe. Ready to dive in? Explore, engage, and be inspired. Subscribe for more on the wonders of ChatGPT Reddit prompts in 2024. Thanks for viewing. If you want to join this journey with us on how to master AI software solutions, subscribe, like and comment, we will appreciate it.